Hi children, welcome back. We are discussing about air properties and as a part of air properties we started about air pressure and we already learnt a small activity that air can able to show the pressure. Air can able to show the pressure on the glass and practically also we did. Now let us see some more property about the pressure. Here air can able to press the materials from outside. So to understand this we have a small lab activity, that is, first of all we have to take a water bottle, a general water bottle, right? It is water bottle, and now fill this water bottle with hot water. Fill this water bottle with hot water. Remember, you should pour hot water in this. So when you pour hot water, it shows the vapors. So it is a hot water. Now keep the lid to this bottle and keep this bottle in a container. Keep this bottle in a container. So here it is the water bottle and you filled it with hot water, right? And fix a lid to it. Now in this you just add cold water or ice pieces, right? When you add ice cubes along with the ice cubes and cool water, do you think what happens? Do you know what happens when you add ice cubes to this? Here inside the water bottle there is hot water and outside it is very cool water, right? Then what happens? Whatever the steam it is there inside, whatever the vapor is there, because of coolness of water, it become condense. When it become condensed, there will be a air gap. That can be takes place inside the bottle. There is a air gap inside the bottle. So this air gap is very less. When compared to the air gap present here. Okay. So now the pressure, it applies pressure on the bottle, and so that the shape of the bottle changes. The shape of the bottle get changes because of applied pressure. Have you understood this? So here, because of applied pressure, the bottle changes. Here you should understand that there is less air in this. We know that air always try to move from high pressure to low pressure. So here very less pressure and less air is there, and from the outside the atmospheric pressure it pushes or it applies, it presses the force on the bottle and it get crumbled. So here air pressure inside the bottle is low because there is very little air in it, right? The pressure of the air outside is larger and it can able to crush or push, or it can able to crumple the bottle from the all sides so that it get fully damaged. This experiment can able to show that air can able to apply pressure or press from all directions. Actually you could do this at home, but it is better not to try. Why? Because it may cause damage to the bottle or water may spill, right? So you just try to understand this concept. No need to do it home. If you want to do, just do this under supervision of your parents, or otherwise don't try this, right? Here it is explaining about what it is explaining. Air can be exert pressure from all direction. Air can exert pressure from all direction. Have you understood? Now let us see uses of air pressure in our daily life. Uses of air pressure in our daily life. How do we use air pressure? Where do we use? Right? So very first one and very interesting one, that is drinking soft drink with a straw. We know that in summer जब गर्मी रहती है ना, तब क्या करेगा, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक पीने के लिए प्रेफर करता है. सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक का मतलब पेप्सी या कोका कोला या थम्स अप, स्प्राइट एटसेट्रा, राइट. So when you are drinking this with the straw, what happens? You are going to pull with the help of straw. So here it is your mouth and here it is straw inside the drink, right. Now with your mouth, when you want to drink it, then what happens? You are going to suck the juice or soft drink from this container, from the glass. So when you are sucking, you show the pulling force on this, right. Then what happens? The air present in the straw, it decreases. The air pressure present in the straw decreases, so that air pressure from outside, it pushes the water. Why? Because here very less air is there inside the straw. When there is less air here, from the high pressured air, it shows the pressure on the water, so that water enters into the straw, means liquid enters into the straw, and you are going to get the juice into your mouth, right. So whenever you suck this liquid, then automatically the air pressure decreases in the straw, and from the high pressure the air pushes the water, so that slowly water enters into your straw. So this is the first use. But here my suggestion is to you that do not drink the soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Thumbs Up, Mirinda, whatever it may be. You should not drink them. Why? Because they all are added flavors and they cause harm. They have carbonic acid, so this acid may cause damage to your health and stomach, so that we should avoid the soft drinks. If you want to drink, then one and only best drink is lemon water. I think you call it as शरबत बोलते हैं. देखो, शरबत पीना, जब भी आपको कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने का मन रहता है, तब you prepare to drink only शरबत, not any other drinks. All these are added flavors, right. So no soft drink can able to satisfy your thirsty. जब आपको सूखा रहता है, गला सूखा है, तो स्प्राइट पियो, थम्स अप पियो बोलते, वो सब झूठ बात है, राइट. सो इफ यू वांट टू रियली गेट ए relaxation, then you should drink only lemon water. If it is possible, prepare sharbat with that and just drink it. So that is the good soft drink that you can able to drink during the summer season, right. Thing. And next, second example, drawing liquid with syringe. So here we are going to take out the liquid by using syringe. For example, before going to give the injection, the doctor, if he takes the medicine from the syringe bottle with the help of syringe. Have seen this? So whenever you want to take out the liquid with the help of syringe, he will pull the piston. When he pulls the piston, there will be a small air gap inside the bottle. Inside the bottle there will be a small air gap. So when there is a small air gap inside the bottle, then automatically air pressure present in this bottle, it pushes the liquid to enter into the syringe. Very simple. डॉक्टर जब वो निकालते हैं ना, it is because of air pressure that applied from the sides. It pushes the water to enter into the syringe. So these are, and as well as pillar, ink pillar, dropper or pillar. This dropper or pillar, it helps us to take the water into it, right? Take some water in a glass and press a dropper pump, and then air will be sent out. Then very less air is here. Then when you release it, the air enters into the dropper. With the help of air pressure, right? जब छोटे बच्चों को सिरप डालते हैं ना, तब आप देखा हुआ रहता है वो ड्रॉपर से ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप डालना, right? So these are the examples that showing we use air pressure in our daily life, right? I hope you understood today's class, and in tomorrow's class let us see the air composition and air pollution, right? Thank you.